supermarkets, led by William Morrison, down today 2.8%. Simon Carter is an equity trader at JNFinancial. Hello, Simon.
Good afternoon, Dan.
What's been happening today?
Well, as you say, the retailers have had a bit of a fall recently. There's been big speculation around WM Morrison, which has sort of cooled off recently. Tesco also had a bit of a fall yesterday after some results that were kind of strong, but also not as good as previous years. They kind of led the fallers yesterday. Personally, though, I am bullish on the stocks such as Tesco. It's something I've been trading for the past couple of days. Short term, I think we may see a bit of a pullback a little bit further, but I would be buying into Tesco from sometime soon.
Why is that, Simon?
I just think it is a good stock. They're expanding into the Chinese market. They always seem to have a good business plan there, and personally, although yes, they may have had a bit of a poor result yesterday, I do think in the long term they are definitely a good buy.
OK, we'll have to hold you to that in months to come. Elsewhere, what's been happening today?
Well, we've seen British Airways gain today. They had a bit of a fall yesterday. Oil hit 9-month lows. We saw a couple of the airlines come down yesterday, British Airways included. They've been up today, though. They've fallen back from around about the 575 mark at the turn of the year. They had an upgrade this morning, sort of mid-morning time. And I also will be buying British Airways because I think, again, a good stock to be involved with, bullish on that, and I could see them recovering some of their lows they've had recently.
Any stocks that you're not particularly keen on at the moment?
To be honest, I mean, although I am bullish on the Tesco and the retailers, I think we have to be a bit cautious. Looking at the lending banks in particular, we've seen HBOS falling recently. There's a bit of uncertainty regarding the interest rates. I think again we may see a bit of a pullback if interest rates are taken up a little bit at the next announcement. I know that the recent vote on interest rates was around about the 7 to 2 mark, and sorry, expected to be about the 7 to 2 mark, and was more like the 5 to 4 mark. So I think that looks like we could see a rise sometime soon there.
Thank you very much indeed, Simon. Simon Carter from JNFinancial.